Hello, hi, I'm Shield Maiden. I'm not dressed or anything, I've just got to this reading. I haven't brushed my hair. Not looking like brilliant, but it doesn't matter. I needed to do this. I was watching YouTube again and I see Vladimir Putin stood at the podium, his legs buckling beneath him. He kept on bending like his legs were gonna give in, right? So I did a reading on that, find out what the spiritual meaning of why he would be doing that, you know. So what I got was I shuffled the cards. The first one that jumped out was he's disappointed. It's despair, loss, and paranoia. It's pride. Okay. And then the next one I got, next card, is a misalignment of values, disharmony, failure. Right? So this is good. For us. For the world, I suppose. Maybe, hopefully. So then I get there's sudden change, activity, unexpected news, in the air, arrows of love. Hang on. Progress. Sudden change. There might be a truce. He's dwelling on past hurts. He doesn't want a truce. He's out for revenge. He used to feel like he was in control. Well, there's going to be a change. There's going to be an end. And I've got a death card for now, right now. So there's going to be an end and a change. Bring new beginnings. Okay? And the old makes way for the new. So there I've got the Hermit now. It says he needs to retreat. Maybe he's looking within himself. What's around him is his failure. He needs to finish what he started. But there's a lack of movement, no completion, no closure. And he knows that. He knows he's losing. He knows he made the wrong choice. And there's conflict. This is what I got, the hopes and fears, conflict, tension and discord. No, this is about money now. He was having fun with what he was doing, playing toy soldiers. Because it's horrible. Right? But now it's taking a toll on the finances. That's probably why his legs are buckling. He's running out of money. He feels stuck. Stagnant. But he's set in his ways. There you go, another money card. He's looking at his finances. It was unrealistic. Conflict avoidance, agreeing to disagree, self-doubt, loss of individuality. he's overinvested in this, and there's financial setbacks. So that's what it is, this money, financial setbacks. He knows he's losing. That's what I see. Okay? So, there you go. If money is what it's costing, he's losing, and he knows he's losing, and that's why his legs are buckling like that. You know? And also, he's not well. Yeah? And, you know, I see he had a stroke. He's really not very well, and he knows he's losing. And he could hardly keep himself standing up at the podium. But here, I wanted to see if that was to do with his health or his state of mind. You know? Because fear can take your legs away. You know, it can. It can, you know, affect the bottom half of your body because it's your base. And his base chakra center is imbalanced, and it's imbalanced with greed. Yeah? And, you know, he's gone crazy. He's gone crazy, spiritually, mentally, everything. Physically. So there you go. Karma. In this lifetime. There. Okay? So I hope you like that. I hope that helps everyone to know that. You know? Anyway. Thumbs up. I'm off to bed now because I've still got COVID. I was really, really poorly last night. I didn't sleep at all until, God, early hours this morning. So I'm really, really exhausted. Okay? But, thumbs up if you like it. Like and subscribe down here. Okay? Bye.